TakeOne Aseptic Sampling System, single-use at its best. The TakeOne single-use system is delivered fully assembled and ready to use. It is 100% leak-tested and gamma-sterilized. The stainless steel mount enables you to steam treat it and facilitates validation. TakeOne is connected to a tank or tube with a stainless steel connector. The stainless steel surface of the mount and the silicone scepter are sterilized when steaming the tank before filling it. For sampling, the cannula is pressed through the silicone septum. This stretches the silicone seal inside the system, which is attached to the cannula. Once the cannula moves back inside, the seal comes back into its original position. As a result, the aseptic chamber remains closed. The cannula is now again within the closed area of the TakeOne system. Due to the closed aseptic chamber, the sampling system and the tank are always separated from each other. An external contamination is impossible. QuickSeal aseptically disconnects the tubes within seconds. TakeOne avoids expensive oversampling and samples remain representative. TakeOne makes your sampling precise, secure and fast.